Good morning, everyone. We're at Fernald Nature Preserve, and we're on the Shingle Oak Trail. There is a pond here to my right. Let's see if we can get a better look at it. Kind of thick in here. Can you see the pond? There's no dogs allowed here, and I'm not going to go through the whole history of Fernald. You can Google that, look up what this place used to be. It is owned by the U.S. government, but they've turned it into a nature preserve. But one thing to note is no pets are allowed. Now down here they have what's called a boneyard, where if they find bones, let's say like of a deer or something, they'll put down here. I can see if there's anything down here now. A cage, but I don't know what kind of bones those are in there. Now there's always a lot of deer, squirrels here, and beavers. The beavers kind of go from one section to another, and I'll see if I can find where they are today to show you the trees they've been gnawing on. Now this is a gravel trail, but the other two trails at this nature preserve are forest trails. Or at least part of them are. Okay, now that was basically the Shingle Oak Trail. There's not much to it. You can keep following the gravel road and it'll lead to the main road, which will go back to the visitor center. We're going to pick up the Sycamore Trail here, and it's 1.9 miles long, and that's going to be part 2. And hopefully we will find the beavers on the Sycamore Trail. Thanks for joining me.